In this demo, we are going to create some relationships to link the recruiting app objects together. First, we'll create a lookup relationship on the position object to capture information about the hiring manager. This relationship is a one-to-many relationship between the user object and the position object. So, select User. We want this field to have the label Hiring Manager. Make it visible to all users. Put it on the page layout. And save. Now let's put it in a good spot on the position page layout. Drag the field toward the top of the page. And save. Now, go to the Positions tab and take a look. Select the Account Executive record and note the new Hiring Manager field. To see that it is really a lookup field, we need to go into Edit mode. Click the lookup icon next to the Hiring Manager field and search for a suitable user. Now let's create a many-to-many relationship between positions and candidates. This will require us to create two lookup relationships on the job application object. First, create a lookup field to the position object. As usual, let all users see the field and put it on the page layout of both the job application and the position. Now, create the other lookup relationship. This time to the candidate object. Let all users see the field. And add it to the job application and candidate page layouts. Now, let's take a look at how these relationships show up in the app. First, go to a position record. And note that we now have a job applications related list. Now, take a look at a candidate record. And note the same related list on the candidate record. So, how about the job application? On the job application record, you see that we have two fields, one lookup to position and another to candidate. Let's populate these fields. First, with a position record. Then, with a candidate record. Now, we have successfully linked the Account Executive position record to the candidate record through the Job Application Junction object. We can traverse to the position record and see the related job application record. Now, let's create a master detail relationship between job applications and reviews. This requires that we navigate to the Review Setup menu. This time, we'll select the Master Detail option. Relate reviews to job applications. Note how the job application field is required on the review. Because the field is required, it must also be visible to all users. And it must show up on the review layout. Let's see how this relationship manifests in our app. Click on the Job Applications tab and select an available job application. Note how we now have a review-related list. And reviews now have a required field, the job application field. So now you have seen how to create lookup, many-to-many, and master detail relationships. For more information on Salesforce.com training and certification, please visit www.salesforce.com/training.